All right, welcome to Echotraders. The room's filling up here. Pretty good. Good morning. It is Thursday, January 19th. We'll get a clock for you. There's a clock. All right, so welcome to Echotraders trading room at Thursday, about almost quarter after 8. And what we're talking about on the ES here is looking from looking at support down here, and the market has come up to a money off target. We're looking for that market to come back down to either right here at 38 or preferably the 23. From the 23, we're looking for targets to the upside, preferably 2268 and a half. Market didn't get there yesterday. Maybe it'll get there today. So that's it on the ES. That's what we're looking for. So real quick on the NQ, what we were looking for is, we had mentioned about the move to the upside, and we have this year target here 505475. And what took place is we had this here 1, 2, 3 punch come in, and we put a set of fibs on, and we had the market run up in here to your money off at the 76. And we had mentioned if the market can break up through the 76, we'll get our confluence targets immediate, and if it cannot, it would break down through your 23. Well, here's your 23. So the market traded from the 76 back to the 23, and we got our push to the upside. So now we're looking for this year immediate gratification to the upside. So we have our 505475 and 5055 as your confluence target. The market's one tick away from that. So that's a fairly quick trade, and that's how we look at that. So that's the we don't always get it, but that's a nice 1, 2, 3 punch if it materializes to full term. It's one tick away, so we're looking for support off of here, and we can get beyond. Don't worry about that. The market. So we had talked about the MACD should stay above the 0. So far, that's exaggeration, but so far it has. And you want to see a little bit more divergence here, and a move to the upside, but it'll be what it is. So we'll pull back down into your 76 area right here, and you'll look for that to be support. And that's roughly where that EMA is underneath all that white. Let me take away that. Okay. So here we are back here, and I'll just squish the chart here just one sec. So targets to the upside 5056, look on the left, and that's where the market has come. Right in here where we were talking about earlier is for the market to lead the 23 here and at least get up to the 161. So that's great. And look left, and you have your confluence 5475 and 55. So great. That's your $100 to start the money market off on this here Thursday morning. Okay, let's do the same thing. And on the ES, we looked at the ES earlier. We wanted to see the market come back down into this year's support area. We wanted to see the 23 here and the 38. We did not get that. It stopped at the 50. We put the 50 on, but the good news is from the 50, we look for the same target of your 161, and we had mentioned the target of 2268 and a half, that the market didn't get there yesterday. This here would be a higher high here today if the market gets it. It did make it up to 2268 and a quarter. So we'll see if the market can. We talked about the market coming into the money off, and we'd like to see it back down in here and then run up. So entry not filled here. But anyways, that's the way it goes. So the NQ, yes, worked out a little nicer, but anyways, this year we want to see your next target. So it has made 2266 and a half. Your next target is 2267. So resistance resides right exactly where we are. Resistance, okay. And we're looking for support off of here. Okay, so that's it. We might get that 2268 and a half after all, but we're not in that particular one. Okay, so look left here. This here was support, and the market attempted. So this here is gap support, and I have a lot of scribbling on there. I'll take that off. Okay. That's it in a nutshell. Quick look at your NQ before we go. And it's just kind of exhausted. So this is exhaustion right where we suspected. Okay, so the 1, 2, 3 punch there and confluence targets. Look left. We get a little pullback here from money off areas, and that's normal. All right, so you want to. Oh, we talked about shorting the yen, and that didn't work out. Okay, till next time. Trade well, my friends.